Hi, I'm Eugene and welcome to Ultimate Cars. This is an absolutely immaculate Volkswagen Golf van. The price includes VAT at 23%, 12 months warranty is included, and the CVRT is until September 2023. It has a tow bar, 2 seats, and it's completely like a new van. The timing belt was replaced not so long ago, and it has Bluetooth with music streaming, air conditioning and cruise control. I'll do a quick walk around to show you close up just how good the bodywork is. There are no marks or dents, no scuffs, not even a stone mark. No scratches on the bumper loading into the boot. It's immaculate. You won't find a better van. The CVRT is September 2023, however I can get a new CVRT prior to sale. And don't forget 12 months warranty is included. We are located on Colleen Road, Dublin 10. We may be readily found on Google Maps, however please call prior to coming to view. I'm Eugene, call me on 01 6260 722. Thank you for watching.